Under eye bags are a struggle for so many people, men and women both, but thankfully there are some options available to help you look and feel your very best. Dr. Manny Lopez is here with Advanced Aesthetics and Lopez Plastic Surgery. It's so good to see you.
Love seeing you.
Yes.
I missed you.
You are a well-known guy, very, very well known for facial plastic surgery here in San Antonio. So I'm excited. I'm going to pick your brain this morning.
Great.
But let's talk about those under eye bags because for whatever reason, everything goes this way, right? And it all collects around here. What kind of options do we have?
So the best option is a one and done where we can actually surgically correct it. And so what you're seeing is you're seeing the fat pockets that are kind of bulging out. And so by going inside the eyelid with a surgery that takes me under an hour to do, we can remove that puffiness, the bags, and it doesn't come back. And then we can even tighten the skin with a laser that will also help define lines.
Okay, we've got some before and after pictures. These are pretty fantastic. I mean, it is a huge difference that people are seeing. And you said you can do this in about an hour?
Under an hour, absolutely,
wow,
yeah.
That's crazy. And what about, I mean, are there going to be incision lines or anything like that?
So because I can go inside the eyelid, the incision is hidden. You don't see it. And there's no stitches to remove.
Oh my goodness. Look at how amazing these before and afters are. I mean, instantly it's like you feel like you got 12 hours of sleep, right?
That's what people love.
Yeah.
People no longer ask them, are you not sleeping well?
Oh,
you know,
look
are you
at this
tired?
one. That's a huge difference.
It's tremendous the difference you can achieve.
Okay, and because you are a facial plastic surgeon, I know you have a lot of things that you can do as well. If I'm coming in for the under eye bags, I might just elect to do a little bit more, right? And you can do that.
Correct. So I always say I do a lot of a little. So there's a few procedures I do, and I do a heck of a lot of them. And so that's could be lifting the eyebrows, doing the upper eyelids, like we talked about the lower eyelid puffiness, the jawline, the neck, all that can be corrected.
Okay. You also have something called the CO2 laser that you use kind of in conjunction with a lot of different surgeries. What does that do for people?
So the CO2 laser is what I was talking about with tightening the skin and improving the fine lines. So if you're in your early 20s and you just have the puffiness, you still have that great elasticity, and so you just remove the puffiness and the skin kind of comes back to where it should be.
Okay.
If we're no longer in our 20s anymore, we may need a little bit of a help. And so that's where the CO2 laser will help tighten that skin, and also a little side benefit, improves the fine lines around there as well.
Okay. I've known you for a very long time. You've been doing this for a very long time here in San Antonio. I know you know your stuff. What is the best way for people to kind of find out what's right for them? Set up a consultation?
Absolutely. That's what people think they know what they want. I want to have a filler. I heard filler is the right answer for my lower eyelids. Well, you got to get evaluated, because oftentimes if you've got that puffiness and you do a filler, it's not going to make it look better, so you feel like you just threw that money out the window. So the best thing is just come in and see me. Happy. I love doing the consultation. I can find out literally within the first 10 seconds kind of what you would benefit from. And then the rest of the consultation is kind of talking about, you know, how to go about it, how we do it, the recovery. It's a nice conversation to kind of educate you on what you would benefit from most.
Okay, and of course, if you're not ready for the surgery, of course, there's always other options. You guys handle that. How many locations do you have now in San Antonio?
So we have 4 locations. We have New Braunfels, Bernie, Sonterra, and Stone Oak, and Alamo Heights as well.
Okay,
Very
guys,
fortunate.
and again, with the under eye bags, is there downtime? How much?
So downtime's about a week if you have the laser. It's not bad, but the beauty of it, it doesn't hurt. It's not like you're in bed, you're in pain. It's because of the laser, you have this peeling process you go through. If you don't have the laser, if you're younger, you look good right off the bat because the incision's inside the eyelid, so there's no incision that needs to heal. And usually there's minimal bruising because the blood loss is like dots. It's nothing. It's very easy.
Well, I may be calling you.
You look great.
Thank you.
You look great.
Here's how you can find Dr. Lopez. He is with Advanced Aesthetics Lopez Plastic Surgery. The phone number is on your screen. Give them a call. They've got 4 locations to serve you, but you can call this main number at 210-495-5771. It is lopezplasticsurgery.com for more details.